the School of Hard Knocks and do your due diligence. And with a little bit of time, it'll pay off.
Good job, Harry.
What do you got there, con man?
We got over 3,100 pounds. We're gonna finally run our Jawcrusher. After all this time, we got it fixed, and we're gonna run our 3,100 pounds and see what we got. Sorry it took so long, but we're finally here and we're excited to get this thing rolling.
And this is Harry. We're gonna get this system going. 3,100 pounds. Greg is patiently waiting to start the system. All right,
I'm excited.
let's go. Go get on the vacuum. Blow her down real quick. Clear. All right, we've got the water lined up. Put the vacuum on. Just turn the water on. Pump's on. Time for the sand screw to turn on. Water's running.
much the whole rod.
Well, here is the gold we got from our test run we did, and this spot doesn't look that good. There's probably not even half a gram of gold in here. So we ran 3,000 pounds through our system. We classified off 800 pounds of plus half-inch oversized, and then this what made it across the table into the number 1 and number 2s. That's not always a good test. You got to keep going. After our wonderful test run where we recovered about a half a gram from 3,100 pounds with 2,100 pounds across the table, we cleaned up, reset, and wanted to show you our backlog. We've been doing bulk runs for the majority of the videos we've recorded, but what you don't see is a small test that we have to do. These are samples from many different mines and workings and pits and things like that. If you remember the video where Jason came and we took him to one of our hot spots, this bucket is from that location. We have to test that. I have 3 other sample sets from that similar location. We got an entire another mine right here. This is another mine in another district. Tailings from a mine. This location is close to the tailings mine. This is from Arizona. This is just a bunch of stuff we have left over. So I'm going to run some of those and see what the results look like. Generally, we weigh the sample first, run it through our system, and then weigh the gold on the backside to see if it's economical or viable for us to do a bulk sample like the one you just saw us perform. results from our 67-pound test from the I-5 that Jason and I had gone to. This is what the rock looks like. You can see the sulfides in the rock, and then this part pretty cool. This is a chalcedony or a calcite quartz chalcedony. So that's kind of what the main rock is. Not a little bad line for 67 pounds. Now this is the fun part, and I'm excited to see how Jason's table does. This is all the sulfides we got from our number ones. We have not run the number twos. You can see all the sulfides in there. Makes it a lot of fun to try to pan this stuff. We didn't weigh the last test run because it was dismal, but I estimated about 0.5. And this one I figured is about 0.2 grams. And I guessed pretty close. 88 grains. So minus 84.5 grains of the weight of this, that gives us 3.5 grains. 3.5 grains out of 480 to make a troy ounce gives us 0.2 ounces per ton, or 6.7 grams, and that's just recoverable metal, precious metals. This is not refined, so I'm going to have to refine this. Also, we did not smelt our sulfides, so there's a chance Jason will smelt all this together and get a better recovery than we did. But this is what we got right now. Here is all the gold that we've done in the last 3 tests combined, and this is kind of representative of what it's like to test hard rock when you're not in a production state. This is not a bad representation of everything we did, and we'll get this melted into a little bead and get that weight up so we get a final gold weight, and we'll scan it with the XRF and know what our gold content is from these spots. Generally with testing, you're never really going to start pouring bars until you go into production. So hopefully we find that magic spot, or that pocket, Mr. Pocket, that we can start pouring gold bars from.
But you have to go through this testing process to know where you're going to mine.
Absolutely.
Ultimately. So we're doing our dues, so
yep,
not bad.
The School of Hard Knocks, and do your due diligence, and with a little bit of time it'll pay off.
Good job, Harry. All right, guys, we finally got our Jawcrusher working after all this time. The thing ran beautiful. We ran it for like 2 or 3 hours. It ran terrific. Our whole system is running very good. And actually, if you follow me out here, I want to show you the sand screw. Because Harry, we put this together at the right angle, and we got a system that takes care of our crap, the leftovers. We didn't get much gold this time, I'm sorry. But now that our system is running good, we can test, and we can definitely find the gold, because we have a lot of mines, we have a lot of stuff we can test. So stay tuned and just wait for us to get that gold, because we're always going to keep trying. There, how's that?
I'm getting told that our lighting sucks, so.
Well, the sun is the best lighting we got, so.
Yeah. We ran 3,100 pounds and got skunked, and then ran 67.5 pounds and got a little color. Hopefully you enjoyed that.
You know what? We have a lot more testing to do. We have a lot more mines to check out. So stay tuned. We're going to come up with something for darn sure.
All right. Cheers.